How to change video background in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change video background in CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the new video and select the video that you want to edit. And now here, once you have selected the video, you can just tap on add. And once you do that, the video will be added to the main timeline. Now here you can just tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. And once you're done with that, you can simply scroll through the bottom menu, and there you can simply find the option that says remove BG. So it means remove background. So simply tap on it. And here on the next page, you simply have to tap on auto removal. And here, once you do that, the AI will remove the background automatically. So here, once you have removed the background, what you can do is just tap on the overlay option. So here, just tap on overlay option and tap on add overlay. And after that, on the next page, simply choose the image or video that you want to add as your new background. And after that, you can just tap on add. And once you do that, it will be added to the main timeline. Now here, once you have added it, what you can do is just select the video that you have added as an overlay. And after that, once you have selected it, you can again scroll through the option at the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on the option that says mask. So simply find the option and tap on it. And now here on the next page, you can simply add the type of marks that you want to add. And here, once you have added it, you can invert it as well if you like. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on tick button, and here you can adjust the brightness, saturation to match the background. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on export button in the top right corner to export your video. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.